Hello everyone, this video is part 2 of setting up Jest and React testing library for projects for React.js TypeScript projects bootstrapped using Vite. Okay, as in the last video we saw, we were getting error where it was saying okay import.meta.env is unresolved or the Jest don't know what it is, how to work with it. So if I run the command import run npm run test, we can get to see okay we are still getting the error. The import.meta property is only allowed when this is set to this and import.meta.env such thing. So as I said earlier in the previous video, I'll try to look up on the internet and try to solve it. As you guys have seen previously, I was solved using the error message, but I was unable to resolve it. So I went up to the internet, search over the GitHub issues and find out okay, this is pretty common and people are having it. And yes, I was behind and I was little behind the updated JS docs. So there are two changes. First one, we are able to resolve it. Okay, how I just went through the GitHub issues and saw okay, this is the temporary hack to or way to solve this. I have to get okay underneath it what was the issue and when it will get when it comes from the maintenance to the okay stable mode, then I can say okay it is now it is the permanent solution for this problem. So as I've said, there are two changes. First one was now just.config don't use module.exports. It has been changed to export default the object, which is the JS-config object, and even we can give type to this if we go to jest.com and search out there. Let me see if I can show you guys if possible. Just ts no, not this one. I'll quick I'll see if it is quickly possible. Yes, over this website if we come, we can see that we can see that ts.jest, and if we click on get started here, we'll come here and see that okay this has been changed. Now coming back to the issue, okay where it has been changed, I'll quickly walk through guys. Presets not on the yes, export default, you can see how it is done this way. So this was the one change. Another one was this thing. This error was pretty common and somebody else was also getting the same error, and the maintainers have suggested him to go through these examples and docs and tried out. He tried out everything. Okay, thank you to this guy, he has written down here okay I have tried this and still unable to resolve with this issue. So he scared my time. I don't have to go again doing all these things and waste my, so not waste my but go through all these things and spend my hour and half an hour or more than that. So I went down, okay still was unable. So he then came up with a solution, okay this way code resolved for him to export out and use experimental feature, but this didn't work for me. So how did I solve? Okay, this guy came with a solution here. Again this solution I tried, but this was this didn't work for me. So I came and he said okay we need to mock the import.meta object. Okay, yeah literally mock the import.meta and give the info we are giving through the env files or the environment variables files by passing from here when we are running tests. So how it is supposed to done, install the package ts-jest-mock-import-meta and made some change in the transform file. So I copied from here, and what I did first, I installed the dependency. If we go back to the guide again, same thing is mentioned. For the error message we have to first install the dependency. Let me copy the dependency. Then after that we have to change the transform variable property. So I'll copy it here. I have directly copy pasted here or copy pasted from here. So if I come to transform and change it to this way and go back here and say npm run test, we'll check whether the test works or not. Yes, the test got passed, and this is how we can resolve the issue with the import meta .env variables of the Vite setup. So this was it in this video, and we will try to find a stable solution for this, or we'll or also go to try to find out okay why this is what's happening and what we can do and what are the other solutions to resolve this. Thank you.